y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Sherry B, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been down, girl, what's up? First, I'm just about to go in with this Dove cream, and I'm just gonna, you know, moisturize my face. Okay, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna take this Revlon Color Stay Brow Creator, and look, y'all, it has a spoolie on the side, and it has like the little chisel in, like. I did my eyebrows and I concealed my eyelids off camera and I set them. I want something like fall. I'm thinking fall. I'm thinking fall. I'm thinking browns. I'm thinking golds, you know. Go in with the 3503 Morphe palette, and it got all of the fall colors and stuff. Like, it's real cute. It's giving green, red, pink, orange, gold. Like, I love this palette, like, for real. And I'm just gonna go in with these two shades, and then I'm just gonna darken it up, basically. Okay, now I'm gonna take this like peach color at the top. I'm gonna take like this peach color, and I'm gonna go in and just. Okay, now I'm gonna take this gold, and I'm probably gonna mix it together. Oh, that's super cute. Can y'all see that? Okay, my lashes and my liner is done, but y'all look how I messed up my eyeliner. I jacked up my eyeliner. I don't think I'm gonna talk this whole video, so I'm just gonna, you know, keep it going. Now we're going in with the concealer. Warm Honey, that is. This is Warm Honey. Oh, we tried already. I'm gonna let this sit on my face, and I'm actually going to contour first before I blend out my concealer. I like that look way better than concealing first. I like that way better than concealing first and then contour. The blend is much better when you contour first. At least that's what I think. And I'm gonna contour with the Ruby Kiss Cream Foam Contour. I'm gonna use this contour with. This is bomb when it comes to contouring. Like, this literally gives all they need. Okay, we're done lining our contour. Now let's blend. Okay, now I have my damp beauty blender, and let's blend this out. Okay, if you made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel at It's Sherry B, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I post. See you in the next video, guys.